G'day everyone and welcome to another edition of What's New in EDU.
At my school, we wanted to deploy the new Edge because it brings us the compatibility with the entire web that we were missing with our previous browser. We used Intune for Education to deploy it.
So here are some updates to Teams we're really excited to share with you.
The Class Insights tab. Look for it. Educators can add the new Class Insights tab to their class team. Now educators will have a single view to observe individual student and class performance, with student data right at our fingertips.
And next, Grades tab.
Yay, so excited.
Each of your class teams now has a Grades tab where you can view assignments at a glance, as well as track how individual students in your class are progressing.
And finally, I'm personally looking forward to using some of these new EDU sticker packs.
Then I have 3 things I want to tell you and a 4th bonus secret feature for Whiteboard. So the first one, it's using something new in Whiteboard we call templates. Tap one of these sticky notes for me, and you'll notice there's a little thumbs up there. Hit that.
Go for it.
And boom, you just reacted on a Whiteboard object. The second thing I wanted to show you is how to actually get one of these templates in your Whiteboard. If you want to add your own, just hit that plus button for me down there.
All right.
And then hit template.
Okay.
And you'll first notice this beautiful gallery pops up, right? Lots of different templates.
Can I go for it?
Yeah, tap that guy. And boom, you have a template, right? That easy. The third thing was something that gives teachers control. I can go right up here as the teacher, and I can just say, okay, I want to actually turn Henrietta in a read-only mode. And then you'll see that the toolbar disappears.
And it changed, look at that.
Exactly.
That's
the
good,
teacher
okay.
knows
I
that
like
the student's in read-only, and the whiteboard shows that it's in read-only. That's the third
powerful
one.
one.
Now, the last bonus one. Look what's here now.
I think
the
you're right.
Whiteboard web app.
What's
brand
going
new.
on?
We are here today to talk to you about an exciting new feature in PowerPoint, Live Presentation. And I'm going to go ahead and click Present Live. So then my students are going to engage with my presentation.
They can use any device they would like a tablet, phone, or a
And
computer.
then I see something else on your screen. What is that?
Live captions are showing up on my screen right now in English.
And I think there's over like 60 languages that you can choose from.
If I want to turn my device to the side, the screen will get larger.
Wow.
And I can even take 2 fingers and zoom in on the content.
So for a student that has a visual impairment, they can make that screen as large and increase that text size.
Another great feature in the bottom right.
Emojis.
Yes, it's so great.
And what I love, we love feedback. We've talked a little bit about that.
Now, when you end the slide, it immediately puts the form on my device and I can rate the presentation.
It's not available yet. Stay tuned. It's going to be free on the web for teachers and
What
students.
I've done is I've converted my traditional presentations into screencasts. It generates the transcripts automatically. They can search for a keyword where I mention that word in the video and it jumps straight to the video.
Over the next few months to share web-based screen recording.